Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. I'm glad that you have an opportunity to stop by to see what I am creating and using to document this photograph. All right, I am using from Close to My Heart. These are the People paper pack plus sticker sheet, the coordinating cardstock, and the coordinating stamp. And this product was released in the March-April mini catalog. And the last I looked, all this stuff is still available. The cardstock is always available, but I think the kit's still available, and I know the stamp is still available. And so I put together a little mini kit. I've already created one layout, and that was posted May 5th. And right in front of you, you see me shuffling through my papers to try to determine what papers I want to use to document this photograph of me and my sister-in-law. And on the one to the right, and my sister-in-law is to the left. And we are up in the mountains, and we are on a night buggy ride with our spouses, and the two of us are sitting in the back, and we snap this selfie, which I love every time we can snap a good selfie when we are enjoying ourselves and relaxing. That's really the reason why we get away from our day-to-day work schedules. We both have very high pressure jobs. So anyway, back to the layout. So the 12 by 12 paper is the sapphire, and I'm using the opposite side, which is a beautiful navy blue, and then the opposite side is a softer blue. And I was getting out my pad, my samples, to make sure I was telling you the right color. The pattern paper there to the right, I trimmed it 3.5 by 12. The one that you just saw me secure down to the left is 1 inch by 12. On the sticker sheet was this scallop piece, and I'm tucking it in, and I don't remember if I do it on camera or off camera, but I do ink the edge using the water-based black ink from Close to My Heart. And now I want to mat my photograph, and I actually triple mat it. So the first one, I use the pattern paper from the kit here. These are my people with that pink polka dot. So that's my first mat. And then I'll use the light blue pattern paper that you see right underneath there and mat it the second time. And then the third time will be the purple cardstock, which I think is called, let me see if I can find it, Wisteria. I think I'm saying that right. It's a beautiful purple color. All right, I hope that you are enjoying my videos that I'm putting up, that where I'm using, when I say exclusively using Close to My Heart products, that means at least 75% of everything on my layout is Close to My Heart. Of course, I will always add a little embellishment from my stash or some mixed media, which could be watercolor paints, my spray inks, and do splattering. This is a Dolly, of course, which is from my stash, and that square one looks perfect, and I've been hoarding it, and guess what? I'm going to hoard it again. I decided to bring in the traditional round Dolly. All right, so from the sticker pack is those big block words that say time, and then the script one that says good, and then that ampersand sign that's in the circle. So my title and good times. I tucked in that sticker that is of a house, which guess what? If I would have took some time to think about it, I would have used my watercolor on that house, or you could use your watercolor pencils, or you could use the tri-blends, or you could actually use a paintbrush and use your Close to My Heart inks. But I was thinking, you know, that whole little grouping there in the lower left is all black and white, so I guess that's why I just kind of stuck with it. That was my first instinct, and I guess you should always go with your first instincts, because then your layout's going to turn out 90% of the time perfect. All right, from the sticker sheet were those 3 banners that I kind of laid up. I was trying to, oh, the tabs, the sticker tabs. So I put that one up there, which was fine, but it felt lonely. So I add another sticker, and it's that one that you can see in the lower left-hand corner with the hearts. You won't see the hearts because I have them hidden behind that blue sticker tab. And so anyway, the pink's going to come see me grab it, and I'm going to tuck it in there so it's not all lonely. And then I'm going to add a little bit of washi tape. I don't remember if I leave that on camera. I will also, from the sticker sheet that's to the left, pull off word stickers that says family memories, and then a heart. And see, it's right down there at the bottom, and then that little leaf is all from the sticker pack. Now the hearts came from my stash. Those plus signs over to the right comes off the sticker sheet. I'm using the Nuvo Micra Mist Spray and using that as a splatter. And I should have stopped there, but Dolly always has a hard time stopping with splatters. I just go nuts with splatters. There's opportunity on this layout, several places that I can do journaling later, which I will. I appreciate you all. Keep coming back. Give a thumbs up. If you're interested in any of the products, here is my contact information, and it will also be listed below in the description box. I appreciate you all. Bye.